Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S series is a smartphone lineup that captures the attention of tech enthusiasts every year. With the S23 series success, many fans are already eagerly looking ahead to the next generation of devices, and early rumors indicate another upgrade.
Can't wait.
We have today a compilation of leaks and news covering every aspect of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Let's get started. Design. Over the years, Samsung has implemented incremental changes and enhancements to the design of its devices while maintaining a consistent aesthetic that has become familiar to fans. With the introduction of the S23 series, Samsung brought a more streamlined appearance to all three models, incorporating distinct camera rings. And guess what? Early leaks suggest there won't be significant design changes in the upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup.
Bad for business.
To be specific, Samsung is likely to carry over the design of the Ultra model to the Standard and Plus variants. However, there is speculation that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might feature a revolutionary design. While concept designs are from outlets like Technizo available online, none accurately represents the device's final look, so we'll have to wait for more details as it's still too early to be sure. Whatever the case, we can expect a beautiful design with incredibly thin bezels and an impressive display. We'll get into details on display very soon, so stay tuned. Specifications. Samsung's Galaxy series has long been known for its exceptional performance, delivering powerful capabilities. Last year, the Galaxy S23 models featured a special version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and the results were simply stunning. The S23 series literally has the best smooth-feeling Samsung phones you'll ever get your hands on. So, how will the S24 series perform? For starters, there might be an increase in default storage capacity across all models. The base memory of the S24 and S24 Plus could also be upgraded to 12 GB, while the S24 Ultra gets 16 GB. As usual, the series will run on Qualcomm's latest premium chipset, possibly the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, with support for UFS 4.1 storage and a 50% faster GPU. That said, Twitter leaker rCloudS claims that the regular Galaxy S24 model could be powered by an Exynos 2400 chipset. Either way, the Galaxy S24 series should be incredibly smooth and powerful to match all your needs. Display. It's no secret that Samsung offers the best displays in the industry.
That's for sure.
As you would expect from a Samsung flagship, the recently released S23 series has an excellent display that you will not find any reason to complain about. As such, it wouldn't be surprising to see a similar setup next year. However, there's speculation of a potential 144Hz refresh rate for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. When paired with its dynamic 2X AMOLED Full HD Plus display with HDR10 Plus support, we could be looking at a real game changer next year. For sizes, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will likely retain the 6.8-inch screen, while the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will feature a 6.1-inch and 6.6-inch display, respectively. In addition, there could be a possible upgrade in the already excellent ultrasonic fingerprint sensor built into the display. It's still very early, so there's little information here, but we'll keep you updated going forward, so make sure you subscribe. Camera leaks. The camera experience on the recently released Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus didn't have any upgrades on the hardware side, still boasting a 50 megapixels primary camera at the back flanked by a 10MP 3x camera and a 12MP ultra-wide camera.
Take the picture, take the picture, take the picture!
Which was rather disappointing considering the Ultra model had a major boost. A change is called for, and we expect the S24 models to bring it.
Change is good.
While we don't have any data on the base models, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to retain the current 200MP camera module, possibly with an upgrade to the telephoto camera and a 1-inch camera sensor. For the telephoto lens, we're looking at a possible 3-10x variable folded telephoto lens, combining the current 3x optical zoom and 10x zoom telephoto cameras into a single lens with 100x space zoom. In addition, Samsung may also make minor calibrations to the front camera, enhancing image processing and AI integration. S24 wishlist. The Galaxy S23 devices have, in many respects, surpassed our initial expectations, yet we can't help but feel that Samsung has the potential to truly astound us with the Galaxy S23. Consequently, we're hoping to see a little bit more next year.
About time.
While the Galaxy S23 Ultra demonstrated near flawlessness, leaving little to be critiqued, there are a handful of fascinating features that we would still like to see next year. For instance, satellite connectivity would enable the device to rival the iPhone 14's emergency messaging feature. Additionally, we anticipate swifter charging capabilities, as the current S23 series falls short in this department. An upgraded S Pen and reliable software support are also on our wish list. For the price tag the series offers, this much should be a given. We'll delve into the pricing and release date details soon, but before that, let us know in the comments section if there's any feature you'd like to see on the Galaxy S24 series. Price speculation and release date. As flagship models, the Galaxy S series has always been in the higher range of the smartphone market. Consequently, its pricing has typically reflected this position, albeit justifiably, given its exceptional features.
I get my money's worth.
Imagine.
Throughout the years, we have witnessed slight price increments influenced by various factors. At present, there are no concrete rumors regarding the pricing of the upcoming Galaxy S24 series.
Rumors are always rife, my dear.
However, it is anticipated that Samsung will adhere to a pricing structure similar to the current series. This means the standard Galaxy S24 may be priced at around $799, the S24 Plus at approximately $999, and the top-tier S24 Ultra at $1,199. However, due to the rising cost of smartphone parts globally, Samsung may slightly increase the prices. We should also expect a similar release schedule, which will put the Galaxy S24 series release sometime in the first 3 months of the next year, possibly in February 2023. Samsung's Galaxy S23 series has already significantly impacted in 2023, securing top positions among the finest Android smartphones of the year. We're expecting similar results, and it's looking very promising. Speaking of promising devices, here's another one from the Samsung lineup that will give you a run for your money. That's right, talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 5. It's almost here, so are you ready for the ultimate foldable experience? It's going to be massive. Our next video will tell you all you need to know about it, so make sure you watch that.